Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing the HP high-end enterprise level servers available from HP. This particular one is a DL380. It comes standard with the Xeon Silver Processors. It's the 4214, and each processor's got 12 cores. So with two processors, you're going to get 24 cores, 48 logical processors. We're starting them off on 32 gigs of DDR4 ECC RAM, but it can actually hold up to 1.5 terabyte. And we're running on two 1.92 terabyte solid state enterprise level drives from HP. That's going to give them really high speed, good performance. And don't forget, never use a normal SSD in a server because your read-write capabilities are going to cause that SSD to crash. I'm Roland with Impress Computers. If you've got any questions on an entry-level server or a higher-end server like this, give us a call, 281-647-9977.